Hi, I'm Dyuti, and today I'm going to talk about filters. So let's see how to apply basic and advanced filters on your Excel sheet so that based on your criteria, you're able to see those records which meet your specific condition and remaining records get hidden. So come to my screen, I'll show you how to apply filters. So let's say I have this real estate data, and in this, what I want to do is I want to display the flats which are listed under Adams agent. Okay, so you can see this data. So what I'll do is first I will activate my table. So I'll just click on this agent header and I'll go to the data tab. So here you can see you have sort filter section in which I can click on this filter. Okay, so if I click on this filter, so you can see filters are applied on all the columns. So as I wanted to see the records which are under Adams agent, so what I'll do is I'll just click on this drop down and I will first uncheck this select all and I will put a check mark against Adams. Now you can see I'll click on OK. So I have got only those records which are listed under Adams agent. Okay. So this is very basic filter. Next come to my filter one sheet and you can see here that here we are interested to see only those records which are listed under Adams and central area. Okay. So in this case also we can do in the similar manner. So we can click on the agent header and then I'll go to filter and I'll apply this filter. So now what I'll do is first I will use this drop down on agents and I will uncheck select all and I'll click on Adams. Then I'll press OK. Now I will go to area and I will uncheck select all and I will apply check mark against central. So now I have only those records which are listed under Adams agent and for area central. So please note that these two conditions are holding true. That is why this basic filter you are able to apply. Okay. So next is filter 2 sheet. Now in this, let's say I'm interested to display only agent, date listed and type for central area. Okay, so let's apply the filter for central area first. So let's activate the sheet by clicking on the column header agent. So any of the column header can be just clicked to make it activated. And then click on filter and I'll apply filter based on central. So I have put check mark against central. Now you can see the requirement is to display only the agent, date listed and type. Now in this way using the basic filter, it is very difficult to do. Okay, so what you have to do is manually you have to hide the remaining of the columns. Okay, so let's say I want only agent, date listed and type. Let's say I will keep area also. So remaining columns, what am I supposed to do? I have to hide them. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm hiding these. Okay, so you can see I have done right click, I have selected the columns and then I'm hiding the columns which I don't want to see. So this is fine with when the data is less, but if I am dealing with more number of columns, let's say 100 columns and so on and so forth, then this method is not very practical. Okay, apart from that, see here manually I have to hide the columns. Okay, so and again my master data is also getting affected. So what is the other way via which I can solve this problem? So this can be solved very well with the help of advanced filter. Now what I'll do is I'll go to the advanced filter sheet. Now here I have prepared the template from before. So here what you're supposed to do is first you have to prepare an Excel sheet with the template in which you have to keep the column headers which are present in your master data. Okay, so you can see all the columns which are present in my master data as a column header I have just kept here. And criteria you have to keep in the next row. So let's say I wanted to put a filter for area central. So you have to keep in the next row central. Make sure you are writing the correct spelling. Okay. Next, what I will do is, first of all, I will make this sheet activated. So this sheet is activated. You can just click on any of the cell. Okay. Now what am I supposed to do is, okay. Now as I wanted to keep only agent, date listed and type. Okay. Agent, date listed and type. So what I'll do is I'll just copy these column headers and I'll just paste here. Okay. Agent, date listed, type. Okay, even I wanted, let's say, to show area also. Okay, so like this, I have kept another set of row in which I have put my column headers under which I wanted to display my data. Okay, now in this, what I wanted to do is I wanted to do the filtering in the different sheet rather than disturbing my master data. Okay, so what I will do is I will go to the this sheet and I will make it activated and I will click on advanced. Okay. After advanced, what I'll do is I'll use copy to another location. Okay. And I will remove from these fields currently the ranges which are given. I'll just remove these ranges. Okay. Now I'll click on list range and what I'll do is I have a data sheet in which I have my data available. So I'll just click here. Okay. And I'll go to the very first cell, that is A1. Okay. Now what I will do is I will select this table by shift control right arrow down arrow. Okay. So my entire table is selected. Now when I click on this criteria range, it will go back to the sheet from where we have started. Okay. So I'll just click here. So I came back to the sheet from where I started. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll give my criteria range. So how to give the criteria range? So I will just select these row headers, or I would say column headers, along with my criteria, which we have prepared from before. Okay. So you have to select this. Once you have selected, then click on copy to. Now where you want the filtered rows to be pasted. So what I'll do is I'll just select these column headers, agent, date listed, type and area. Okay, you can see it has come to the copy to section. Okay, now I'll click on OK. Now before that, let's say in case if your data has duplicate records, you can just click on unique records only. Okay, otherwise you can just leave it. So I'll click on OK. Now you can see I have got only the records which are filtered based on my criteria, that is area central, and I have got only those columns which I want to display. Okay, now let's find out how many records are filtered based on our criteria. So you can see in the status bar it is 42 records. Okay, so this is how you can apply advanced filters. Now let's take another example. Let's come to advanced filter tool sheet. Now here, let's say I wanted to find the flats which are listed under central area between list price of 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs. Now please note that if you have multiple condition and if they are in and condition, like all the conditions have to be met. So in that case, you have to give it in the same row. Okay. So you can see here, I have taken this column header list price twice. Okay, because list price here has to range from 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs. So that is why list price will come twice. So that is greater than equal to 2 lakh and less than equal to 3 lakhs. So same steps we need to repeat. And let's say if I wanted to see all the values for the given column header, so I need not have to put the column headers here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll start from this sheet. So I'll just click here and I'll just click on advanced. Okay, so same steps you have to repeat. So what you have to do, copy to another location and you can remove this list range from here and criteria range and copy to. Okay, now click on list range, go to the sheet where you have your master data. So I will go to the data sheet and here what you're supposed to do is go to the top of the table and select the table. Once you have selected the table, Click on criteria range. So it will go back to the sheet from where you have started. So I'll just select the column header along with the criteria and then click on copy to. So let's say I wanted to paste all the filtered records here. Okay, click on OK. So you have got all the records which are filtered based on the given criteria of area as central, list price ranging from 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs. So let's find out how many records we have got. So 20 records you can find in the status bar. Okay. So similarly, one more example I would like to take. So these conditions are in or condition. So whenever you have conditions in or condition, you have to change the row. So you can see this is a combination of and or. So here the requirement is, so we need to find the number of flats listed under central area of above 2 lakhs for 3 or 4 bedrooms. Okay. So let's uh, see here how to give the criteria. So area is central and the list price has to be above 2 lakhs and bedroom is 3 or 4 bedrooms. So means area has to be central, list price has to be greater than 2 lakhs and bedroom has to be 4. Okay. So same steps you need to repeat. You need to go to the advanced filter. Okay. Before that, make sure that you have activated the current sheet. Go to copy to another location, remove the ranges which are there currently in your list range, criteria range and copy to. Click on list range, go to your data sheet. Now you can go to the top of the sheet, select the table, shift dash. You have to press shift, control, right arrow, down arrow. Okay. Then click on criteria range so that you will come back to the sheet from where you have started. Okay. Then you can use shift, control, right arrow, lift your finger from control and then use the down arrow to select the criteria. Okay. Then click on copy to and you can select any of the cell where you want to copy all the filtered records. Click on OK. Now let's find out how many records are filtered. So here you can see in the status bar, 35 records are filtered. Okay. So this is how you can apply basic as well as advanced filter. So hope you have liked this. So I request you to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.